Applying the Tremble audio effect. So here I have a audio clip in my timeline, and I'm going to come over to my effects, right, into my effects, and I'm going to go into my audio effects. All right, and if you don't know where to find it, always just type it in and search for it. And we're going to do the Tremble. So I can come down here into my filter, and there it is, Tremble. And I'm going to drag and drop it onto my audio 1 track. It creates then, up in my effects control, it'll create a tremble effect. I'm going to pick on this and I'm going to expand the boost here. Now over here I have an interview with two ladies. I'm going to play this and I can adjust this on the fly. So tremble is when we are dealing with frequencies that are above 4,000 hertz. So all the high frequencies are being adjusted. So I'm going to play this. So I'm going to increase the boost in the tremble. And now I'm going to lower the tremble. So this is making it more tinny sounding, and this is making it less tinny sounding to the left. All right. So this is the tremble audio effect, and it's applied to the entire audio clip.